If you're still guessing where the moves are on your charts, you're leaving clear profits behind. Today I'll show you a fix that reveals market structure across 3 time frames on a single chart. The logic becomes obvious, fast and stress-free. I'm Jonathan Jarvis and I'll show you how it works. Let's start now. Before we go deeper, here's the exciting part. Everything you're about to see manually can be automated. Stick with me and I'll show you the secret way to map all 3 timeframes instantly in a few seconds. Look at this. The levels across multiple timeframes align perfectly. No guesswork, no manual frustration, just clean, precise structure, ready to trade. Later, I'll show you how this can be done instantly. But wait, before we break it down manually, you need to know this logic is instantly automated. The Structure Companion tool is the ultimate fix, identifying all the highs, lows, and imbalances across all timeframes. You are getting the tool, the short training course, and the exclusive Discord support to make sure you use it perfectly. You're gaining a guaranteed system for structure analysis, not just software. This is your next step to trading with confidence and precision. Now listen close. That instant proof you just saw, the Structure Companion tool, is the reason. It takes everything you're about to learn manually and does it instantly across all timeframes. If you know you need this guaranteed instant fix, the link is right below this video. Otherwise, let's look at how it works. I'm going to perform this manually on the US dollar Swiss franc. I'm going to start here on a daily time frame, show you exactly how we map up those 3 time frames applying this structure. So the first thing we need to do is find our first structural point here on a daily time frame. Now, understanding the structure is important because if you don't know how to map out the structure, you're going to fail straight away. So when we're looking at this structure, and the key thing for multiple time frames, you want to see all time frames of your structures on the single time frame. That's going to be your entry time frame or your setup time frame if you're looking for your trades. So we're going to start from this low here in the market. This is actually going to form a low for valid break to downside. So we can see this is a valid break of structure here on a daily time frame. I'll just mark this out as a BOS so you can see that we have a break here to downside. Now when we see this, what I'm looking for is a area where we see the market closing back up. Now what we actually get is simply this candle right here. It closes back to the upside. This is going to create a valid low in the market. Now that eventually becomes our next break of structure, which I will just map that out as a BOS for you because we are looking at the BOS to downside once again here. And at the same time, if we see this move to downside, this will become our valid high in the structure. So we have this move to downside. This creates our current trading range. This is our daily structure. Now what we want to see is this daily structure on a lower time frame. So when we're looking for our trades, we can instantly see the higher time frame structures to know where everything is going to be located. So the idea is once we identify again this break to downside, we go closer into price here now. We're looking for our last candle that closes up to form our valid high again. This is our close up. This is going to form that valid high. Let me just mark that off correctly. And we need to do this. You understand the actual way the structure is going to move. As we break to the upside, this is going to be a shift to the upside. We're looking for that close down. This is going to be right at this candle here. So now I can actually map this out as a new low in the market. And you can see what actually happens here. We come back into this low. We sweep it once, sweep it a second time, and what actually happens is this becomes a valid high. So this becomes a new break of structure to the upside. Now this is a change of character. The reason we call this a change of character is because it shifts from a bearish to a bullish market there. Now once we have this location, this becomes a new high in the market which we failed to break, and our new low is going to be down here. Now, as you can see that we failed to break that low as well. We come back up towards this high and we get a valid break at that candle. So this now becomes, once again, another change of character. Now, all this will make sense as we go through how you're going to apply this with multiple time frames. Just want to show you the way we map up that chart to start with so you can see the way this works. So now we have this break to downside. I'm looking for my last close up. That's this candle right here. Okay, now I say by close up, I mean it closes above that previous candle. This becomes a new high. And then we're looking for our close up again, which is going to be this candle. This then creates the low, which is then again a new break of structure right now. So that gives me straight away my BOS in the market. So now I've got my break of structure to the downside. These are my last areas I can mark. Now I can see my last close up is this candle. We move this one to this high, and this becomes my valid daily high. So I'm going to mark this out as a daily high. So you can see the difference. We'll map this over to the right. So it's my daily high. Now we don't have a low yet, but if we look back now at this structure, using this structure is very precise, very mechanical, and it will be mapped out exactly the same every time. The same person will map it out the same. So we have a break to downside, we had another break to downside, we had a change of character bullish, a pullback. This was our previous low, we swept the low, another break of structure to the upside, then eventually we get a sweep of this low and a new change of character, and then we get a continuation bearish. So now we're bearish on the daily. So that's our first time frame. Now I'm going to end up with a 30-minute time frame, and I want to see is my higher time frame of my daily, my 4-hour structure on that 30-minute time frame. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to map all this out, this whole section I've just done, and we'll place this on the time frames below. So when I go to a 4-hour time frame now, we're going to see this daily structure. Now I do the exact same thing again now with my 4-hour time frame. Now see how this works. It's very simple. So from this high, I can map this out, and eventually this is actually the high. We see another break of structure to the upside. Okay, so I can map this out as a BOS here on this time frame. Okay, so this is a 4-hour. Let's make this a bit smaller in size. Okay, let's go back to this. Make this about a 14 so we can see the difference in time frame. So this is our daily break of structure, and what I'll do is actually come to this in a moment. So what we've got is a break to the upside. When we see this, this is our low. Okay, on this time frame, this becomes a new high, and this becomes a new break of structure. So at this point in time, we're still bullish on the 4-hour time frame. Now, when we see this break to the upside again, there's our last candle that closes down. This then becomes my current new break of structure again. So if you're starting to see how this actually works, this structure, do leave a comment below and let me know. This structure is so much better for you because it's more mechanical and it's easy for you to apply. Now, this would become a change of character once again because we see this bearish move. As soon as we see that, okay, we're going to map out, this is our current high. I'll map it out for you. This is our current high. The market goes down. This is our first candle that pulls back up. This becomes our new low. And what this actually becomes is a break of structure. So we see now a BOS to the downside on 4-hour at the same time as our daily. So now we have our structures aligned. So now we can map out, this is our current high on the 4-hour. So we just mark that across. So we basically have this as a 4-hour high. So you're starting to see how this all works. So we have a 4-hour. Okay, we'll put it as a high, and we'll just put this over to the right. So we have our 4-hour high. Our structure is bearish on our 4-hour now. We haven't got a valid low yet on a 4-hour or a daily. There's our daily high. We can see we now have a bearish bias. So now we've got basically 2 time frames on the single time frame. Now when we go down to our 30-minute, and what I'm going to do is just, we'll map out these levels here, place these on a lower time frame. So go below, go to our 30-minute time frame, and now what we can identify, there is our daily break of structure. There's our last 4-hour break of structure. So now we can see a larger daily swing here and our 4-hour swing, all on this 30-minute time frame. So once we now go to our structures here on a 30-minute, and we'll apply this when we see our break. So looking back in time, we'll just quickly look at this. I'll draw this out quickly. We have a break of structure here. So we come down, this is a high, this is a breakout, a low, this comes a new break of structure. And I believe this may have been a low, but then we had a new break of structure, new break of structure. This becomes a low, and we have a new break bearish, new high. Current low looks like it's there. Then we get a new break bullish, another break bullish, and eventually a bearish break. So my last break here on this time frame, you can see how I just quickly went through and did this. So my last break, we could say, is from this low here. Let's have a closer look and see what actually happened at this here of price. So we're going to push the upside, which is a break of, I believe this high broke out, this becoming new high. So this is a bullish break of structure on the lower time frame here over 30 minutes. Make this even smaller. So we got a bullish break here to the upside. This became my low. Okay, so my lowest point from this close down of this candle. Now eventually we create a pullback on this candle. So this becomes the same high as the 4-hour high. This then becomes a new break of structure, but right here. So what this is a change of character, of course, now on a 30-minute. Now when we see this breakout, our last close up becomes this high. So we leave it as it is, and then this becomes a new low with a new break of structure. So what do we now have? We now have our 30-minute structure bearish. We can also map out this as a current 30-minute high. Let's look to see if we get another close up, lower down, which we do. So once we see this closing up on this candle, we can map this out as a current structure low, which is now formed into a new break of structure. So now we have another break of structure just occurred on this time frame. This is current live price you're seeing. And as soon as we see that, this high is then brought down to here. So this is how we follow price. Now we have here basically is our 30-minute high. And that's how we look at this. We'll put this over to the right. So now we can zoom out and we can basically see that we now have a bearish structure on a 4-hour, a bearish structure on our daily. Okay, there's our daily structure, the big area here with a daily high, a 4-hour break of structure with a 4-hour high, and a 30-minute is also bearish with the last break of structure with a 30-minute high. And that's how you will use this structure to map it out manually across all time frames and to have it all sitting on the single time frame. So what you'll be looking for now is to align those time frames and looking for your trends. Now I said at the beginning of this video, I'll show you how you can actually automate this and have this as a click of a button for you using what we call the companion tool. So I'm going to go through now to the companion tool and show you how this would actually map this all up for you instantly onto those charts. So let me just first wipe all of this off to remove all these drawings, and then I'll go in, I'm going to turn on my companion tool. It's the new pro version, which will give us basically instantly those 3 time frames all added to the single time frame. Let me just turn this on, and once it's loaded, you'll see all the time frames now will show. So we go in closer to our current area. We're going to see down here that we have the 30, the 4-hour, and the 1 daily all bearish in structure. We can then identify instantly with a click of a button, this is, that we now have our daily high, our daily break of structure, our 4-hour break of structure, our current 4-hour high, and then down here, remember we had our last break of structure on 30-minute and our 30-minute high. So that's the structure companion tool. Your complete structure mapped automatically, validated across multiple time frames in seconds. Remember, when you get access, you are securing lifetime access to the indicator, the short training course, and the exclusive Discord support. This isn't just a fix, it's a complete system for confident structure analysis. Don't waste another day manually drawing structure. The link to claim your full access is right below this video. For deeper mastery and step-by-step setups, what's the next market structure video in the 90-day profit trading system playlist?